Looking to trade gold in the Philippines in 2025? Whether you're focusing on XAU-USD, gold CFDs, or automated strategies, choosing the right forex broker is essential. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 best gold trading forex brokers in the Philippines for 2025 based on spreads, execution speed, platforms, regulation, and overall trading experience. Let's get started. Gold remains one of the most actively traded commodities among Filipino traders, especially during market volatility and global uncertainty. Tight spreads, fast execution, and deep liquidity are critical when trading a fast-moving asset like gold. The right broker can significantly improve your results. Here is top 5 gold trading forex brokers in Philippines in 2025. FP Markets, 8Cap, Octa, Tickmill, IC Markets. Check the link below on description to open an account with best gold trading forex brokers in Philippines in 2025. These are our top 5 gold brokers, offering tight XAU-USD spreads, fast execution, and powerful platforms built for serious traders. First is FP Markets. FP Markets is our top pick for Filipino gold traders in 2025. It offers raw spreads starting near 0.0 pips, lightning-fast execution, and support for MT4, MT5, and C Trader. Its deep liquidity and transparent pricing make it ideal for scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic strategies. Raw spreads from 0.0, MT4, MT5 K Trader. Excellent execution speed. Great for scalping and EAs. Second is 8Cap. 8Cap is perfect for traders who want to combine gold trading with other CFDs such as crypto, oil, indices, and forex. It offers competitive XAU-USD spreads, deep liquidity, and integration with TradingView, MT4, and MT5. Making it one of the most flexible multi-asset brokers in the Philippines. Tight gold spreads, TradingView, MT4, MT5. Great for gold strategies, smooth execution. Third is Octa. Octa is a favorite among newer Filipino traders thanks to its zero commission trading, low spreads, and simple mobile platform. It's easy to use while still offering enough tools for experienced traders focusing on XAU-USD. Zero commissions, low spreads, user-friendly mobile app, beginner-friendly. Fourth is Tickmill. Tickmill is built for precision trading. Its raw account offers spreads near 0.0 pips, ultra-fast execution, and very low trading costs. With EA support, hedging, and fast order fills, Tickmill is perfect for scalpers and high-frequency traders. Spreads from 0.0, extremely fast execution, EA-friendly, ideal for scalpers. Last is IC Markets. IC Markets is one of the most popular brokers for professional gold traders. With deep liquidity, ultra-low raw spreads, and fast execution, it's ideal for algorithmic trading. VPS hosting and API access make it perfect for automated strategies and high-volume traders. Ultra-low raw spreads, MT4, MT5 C Trader, VPS, and algo-friendly, great for high-volume traders. Here are the best gold trading forex brokers in the Philippines 2025. FP Markets. Best overall gold broker, 8Cap. Best for gold and CFD trading, Octa. Best for zero commission, Tickmill. Best for professional scalpers, IC Markets. Best for algorithmic and high-volume trading. Choose the broker that best fits your strategy, scalping, swing trading, or automated gold trading. For opening an account with the mentioned brokers on the video, please visit www.topfxbrokersreview.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading insights. Thanks for watching and happy trading.